Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another limited edition for you, and it's the newly released Lookfantastic Scent Edit. This was just released a couple of days ago. If you're interested in this for yourself, then as always you'll find a link to it down below in my description, as well as any discount codes and offers I can find. You'll find them all down there, so you're welcome to take a look if you want to. The cost of the Scent Edit is £55, and it includes 7 mini perfumes. Some are sample size and some are a couple of mils. Plus you'll receive a digital voucher through your email that you use to purchase the box for £55, and that £55 can be used against any of the products featured in the box. I received my code in an email not long after I purchased the box, a couple of hours anyway. So as I knew what was inside the box, I had a look online and I couldn't resist. I bought my favourite perfume. This is my #1 perfume, Libre by Yves Saint Laurent. I adore it. It is so beautiful. I've got a full-size Libre, but I've got about that much left. So I saw this on offer. It normally retails for £69, but it was on sale for £55.20p. So with my code, I thought, bargain, I'm only spending 20p. And as I had next day delivery, they both came at the same time. So I'm going to put this away until I finish my large bottle. But yeah, I absolutely love this perfume. And we tend to see it a lot in the scent edits as well. So yeah, so that was my purchase anyway. Let's get on to showing you what's inside. They're a bit all over the place. Let's do a sneak peek. First up, we'll start off with a little mini version of what I've just bought with my voucher. This is Yves Saint Laurent, Libre, and it's 7.5 mils. This is a perfect little bottle to take away on holiday. Oh my gosh, I just love it. I love it. I haven't found anything yet that tops it. There is lots that I love, absolutely love, but just, oh, I just love it so much. Or to pop in your handbag. Yeah, I love this. We got MUGLER, and this is Alien Goddess, and there's 10 mils here. I'm not sure if I've ever smelt this one. Alien I have, but Alien Goddess, no, I don't think I have. Oh, that's a nice one as well. That one's a really nice one. Oh, I can smell pears. That is really nice. Yeah, I can smell fruit and pears. It's not overly too sweet either. It's a nice summery, fruity, yeah, fruity perfume. That's how I would describe it anyway. I'm not very good. So we got MUGLER, Alien Goddess. We got Lancôme, La Vie est Belle. There's 10 mils here. I have smelt this before, but I can't remember. Can't remember if I like it. It's a little bit on the talcum powder smell type of smell for me. It's not bad. Let's have another sniff. It's nice, but I wouldn't buy it. I would buy the Alien Goddess and definitely the Libre, but I wouldn't, no, I wouldn't buy this one. It's a little bit too powdery, florally. I don't know what's inside. It doesn't say on the Lookfantastic website, but we got La Vie est Belle by Lancôme. We got Giorgio Armani, and this is C, 7 mils there. Again, this seems to be a scent edit favourite as well. I have seen this, but then I got a feeling these are a lot bigger sizes than what we've previously seen. Or in the last couple of scent edits, am I thinking? We're seeing 10 mil, 7.5 mil perfumes, which are great sizes, aren't they? For little minis, obviously. I'm thinking maybe we've seen this, but in a little 1 mil spray. I've got so many smells going around me. Yeah. I think that's nice, I think. It's mixing with all the others. It's okay. It's not my favourite, but it's okay. Yeah, I prefer it to the Lancôme La Vie est Belle. We got Valentino, born in Roma, and there's 6 mils here. I love the bottle. Look at it. How cute are these bottles? So cute. Right, how do I do it? Oh, I can't smell anything. Ooh, that is a different smell. I want to say lime, obviously because it's green. I don't know whether it's just me picking that up, but yeah, it's more fruity, I think anyway. Yeah, that is nice. I really like that. So that's Valentino, born in Roma. And then lastly, we've got 2 1 ml perfumes. We've got Yves Saint Laurent Libre. But this is one I haven't smelt. I want to get it, but it's so expensive. It's like over £100. But this is Absolute Plantain. Absolute Plantain? I don't know. Okay, let's see if I can smell a difference with this one. I want to say it doesn't smell of Libre whatsoever, but it doesn't smell like the same perfume. You'd imagine it to be like a little bit more intense or something. No, I prefer the original Libre, you know. I'm going to have to smell it on its own without everything else, but yeah. It's got a bit of a weird smell to it. Really strange. I'm going to have to smell it on its own. So there's that. And then lastly, we've got Giorgio Armani, Eau de Parfum Intense. Again, another 1ml one. I really like that one. That's a nice smelling one as well. I really like that. Yeah. Overall, I'm really happy with this box. But besides the 2 samples, the 5 other perfumes, they're really nice sizes. I like the majority of them as well. And yeah, I think these boxes would make a great gift. If you're looking for a perfume for yourself, then it's a good way of trying. It is a bit on the pricey side. If you don't like any of them, there is that. there is a possibility you might think, yeah, these are disgusting. But then you've got the £55 to buy a full-size version to maybe gift someone for Christmas or something. I don't know, but I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of this new scent edit? Have you bought it yourself? I forgot to mention at the start, my code DiaryLF, whenever new beauty boxes are released, you're able to use it for a discount off for a very short time, literally a day or two, and then you're not able to use it. But on the website at the moment, if you use 5 off, all in capitals, you're able to get 5% off, so a couple of pound off that. I'll pop it down below in the description anyway. But yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.